Venezuelan opposition leader María Corina Machado has presented her Nobel Peace Prize medal to former US President Donald Trump during a meeting at the White House. Machado, who received the Nobel Peace Prize last year for her struggle against what the Nobel Committee described as Venezuela's brutal authoritarian state, said the gesture was made in recognition of Trump's role in the commitment to Venezuela's freedom. Donald Trump later confirmed the meeting on his social media platform, Truth Social, stating that Machado has presented him with her Nobel Peace Prize medal for the work I have done, calling it a gesture of mutual respect. A photograph released by the White House showed the medal displayed in a large gold frame, accompanied by a message describing it as a personal symbol of gratitude on behalf of the Venezuelan people for Trump's action towards securing a free Venezuela. However, the Nobel Peace Prize Committee clarified that while a medal may change ownership, the title of Nobel laureate cannot be transferred or shared. The move comes amid political uncertainty in Venezuela following the removal and arrest of President Nicolás Maduro. Despite opposition hopes that Machado would be recognized as Venezuela's new leader, the United States instead backed Vice President Delcy Rodriguez as acting president. Analysts say that Machado's symbolic gesture appears to be an attempt to regain political momentum and international support as Venezuela navigates a complex and fragile transition of power.